String theory is a series of Kontakt instruments based on guitars, but as you can notice and hear, is not your common guitar emulation library. Here we have the first page of the instrument, the string engine page. This section gives access to the samples, and here you can control engine parameters. Let's start with the first articulation and group of samples, the plectrum sound. Plectrum is the sound of a string stimulated with picks, and as you can see, we have three switches, S, H and M. S is for sustain sound. As we click on the H switch, we change the sound from normal sustain to natural harmonics. And last, we click on the M switch, and we play the sound of muted strings. This configuration is identical to the other engines. On bounce and counterpoint, we have sustain and harmonics, and on air, we have only the sustain switch. Let's investigate more on the other buttons of the interface. We have the big volume knob above the switches, and then we have the two buttons, filter and ADSR. When we click each button, we open a tab to control the independent filters and envelopes of each engine. Let's try mess around with those parameters. And now we can switch tab to enter the FX page. We have changed the color here, everything is green, and this means we are on the FX page. We have 4 different effects to help us to shape our sound: filter, chorus, tube screamer, and reverb. Let's start with filter. The big knob here controls the bandwidth of the 2-point filter. When we click the tiny FX button, we can access the Filter AD tab, as we done on the String Engine tab. Here we have cutoff and resonance. Let's see the chorus effects. The big knob here controls wet sound, and on the Edit tab we have depth, speed and phase. Next we have Tube Screamer. On Tube Screamer the big knob controls overall volume. Last effects is Reverb. The big knob here controls the send sound, and on the edit page we can access the control for each parameters of the effects. So as you can hear with this instrument there are different possibilities from simple muted guitars to wave of feedback and counterpoint lines. This instrument is available on contactapp.com and you can check our last news and products on sevensoundware.netson.org and on our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.